That looks good. We're here at the M1 Concourse Champion Raceway, testing the GXE's capabilities, tuning the vehicle, collecting data, and just having a great time driving the car. We designed the GXE from the ground up to be a driver's car, and in getting feedback from our professional race car driver today, Aaron Bombach, we were thrilled to hear that he felt the car was so exceptionally balanced, so well tuned, and so much fun to drive.
Man, this thing is cool! Driving the GXE, my first session out, I was starting my second lap and I was just kind of overwhelmed. This car is just so much fun to drive. The manual transmission is integrated beautifully with the motor. It's just seamless, the same way you would drive a car with a gas-powered engine. So the initial clutch release, the shifting of the gears, the downshifting, just amazing integration to this car. This thing is perfect. Yeah. Couldn't be more balanced. I love it.
Woo! It was extremely gratifying to be here today at the track, to see how well the car performed, to see how well it was sorted. With every iteration of the vehicle, it gets better and better. So many man-hours have gone into the vehicle in terms of software. I mean, there are literally 1 million lines of computer code in the car. It's a beautiful car, and it's so much fun to drive.
This thing is so badass. I love it. I love it. I will tell you this, you can't do that in a regular Corvette.